Hello there, my name is Daisy and today we're going to be playing some different games with flashcards to see what we can do with them. So here are our flashcards, and the first game we're going to play is memory, which means that we'll need two sets of flashcards. So here we have 2 dogs and 2 cats for our example. The first thing we're going to do is to go through the names of the objects, in this case the animals, that we have on the flashcards with the children. So we have a dog, and this is a dog. Here we have a cat, and here is another cat. So once they know the words on the cards, we can turn them over like this, and you can mix them up if you want, and the first child plays. They can turn over 2 of the cards like this and have a look. We've got a dog and a cat. Oh dear. So they turn them back over, and then the next child starts. They turn one card over and you can say, this is a dog. Aha. Where was the other dog? Was the dog here? No. Was the dog here? No. Aha, very good. The dog is here. So the child has won the pair of dogs and they can put them on their pile, and the next child plays and turns over the cards. We have a cat. And where was the other cat? Aha, very good. Here's our cat. Super. So they've won their pair of cats. So that's a very easy memory game. The next game we can play is called Which One's Missing? So you can use, for example, a cat, a dog, and a mouse. Or if you'd like to make it a bit easier, you can use 2 cats or 2 dogs, however you like. And with these cards, you're going to ask the children to close their eyes, but beforehand make sure again that you go through the names of the objects. And once they've closed their eyes, you can take 1 card away and hide it. And when they open their eyes again, they have to guess which card is missing. And if they find it a little bit hard, then you can maybe give them a tip. Peep, peep is the noise he makes. It's a mouse. Very good. So that is Which One is Missing. The last game that we're going to play is called Snap. And this game we can play with as many cards as we like. So we've got our cat, the dog, another dog, and another cat. Now, when you have all of your cards on the table and you've gone through all of their different names, you can ask the children to put their hands on the dog, for example. Everyone has to put their hands, snap, on the dog, and the first person to get the dog can take the card. They've won it and they can put it on their pile. And next comes the cat. Where's the cat? Quick! Aha, very good. They've won the cat. If the children are maybe putting their hands a little bit close and waiting for the dog to be said, then you can always ask them to put fingers on nose, fingers on head, fingers on shoulders, fingers on chair, and so on, to keep their hands away. So that's very good, and when all of the cards are gone, then that's the end of the game. So that's a few ideas of things that we can do with flashcards, and yeah, have fun. Thanks, goodbye.